we should be listening and adjusting to this unison passage. Yeah, guitar players, I'd like to hear you guys get out of the rock box a little bit. You guys know what I mean. It's that pentatonic that guitar players like to play because it's easy. And that's what we learn on guitar. I play some guitar myself, and I love playing that. But, you know, in this jazz music, there's a whole different vocabulary that goes with it. You know, listen to Charlie Christian and Joe Pass and Pat Metheny, John Scofield. I mean, guys like that. You know, John Scofield will go into the box every once in a while, but, you know, then when he goes outside, it's just wonderful. And actually, that goes for everybody in the band. I mean, really, we should all find a hero or two. Actually, I have three really good heroes on my instrument. I'm a trombonist, so I listen to a lot of J.J. Johnson, a lot of Carl Fontana, and a lot of Frank Rosolino. Those are my three big ones. There's a lot others too, but you know, those guys I've stolen a lot of licks from. I've stolen a lot of their style as much as I can. They are all tremendous players, but it's good to have a model, especially those of you who are interested in improvisation. Yeah, one thing we should keep our eye on all the time is the shape of the phrase, beginnings and endings of phrases. Bones, you may have worked something out on that last thing there where you were sort of exposed, but it seems to me like you guys kind of broke that phrase. Maybe we could take a look at that when we come up on stage. Okay. Overall, nice job. Once again, a few intonation issues in that one, but the balance was a little bit better.